Hey everybody. So I'm visiting one of our properties here on Sandisfield, right? And on the way to check it out, we like to check out the area, ran across this sign for the exclusive use of Berkshire resident park homes. This sign is talking about some amenities that are in walking distance to the house. It looks like it's a park, a pool, tennis courts, that for the exclusive use of Berkshire residents being able to use those amenities. So what that means is that for a person that purchases this home, they're able to get the exclusive use of the amenities that are here at this park. And again, it's in walking distance to the home. Pool, tennis court, and a playground.